Kira, where's the ball? Want the ball?
Well, here's the thing. There's a lot of potatoes.
Okay.
I don't know if we want them all.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, or if I should save them.
Did you just kick the ball? Ah, you coming after me? Look at you walking. Cutie. Coming? Where'd you go?
Do you want a lot of potatoes, or just want the normal milk?
Uh-oh. Can eat a lot, Aim.
You can?
Yeah, I can. Oh. Oh. Hi. I'm right here. Oh, there's nobody up there. Hi. Oh boy. Now what? We don't have any light. There we go. Hi. The fan's not going anymore now. I don't think you need the fan. Uh-oh. What's in there? Oh. No, don't play with your light. Hey. Yes, Daddy's pocket watch. Silly. Okay, now where to? I don't know. Hey. Uh-oh. You're gonna empty the bookcase, aren't you? Oh. Yeah. You gonna read one? Oh, which one's that one? Is that one of your new ones? Where to? Oh, hey, Kira. Wanna go back down?